What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your WordPress website or e-commerce store more secure with practical, simple and easy to follow tips, and especially free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics or choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, let's start with the why. Imagine the following scenario. We are in modern days that we have a lot of security and potential security threats and problems. Okay, so protect our site, protect our data, protect our customers' data. It's very important. It's essential. Okay, so how to do this? Here is one of the best tips. Normally there is DDoS attacks on your site and there is solutions for it. Okay, so go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to search plugins, you're gonna click and type limit login attempts reloaded. Okay, and here is the guide that we're looking for. Limit login attempts reloaded. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, you're gonna be able to see between tools and users a new menu called limit login attempts. Click on it. This is gonna redirect you to the dashboard of the plugin. You're probably gonna see a big pop-up, a big banner asking you to purchase the plugin. Just type ask on your keyboard to close this and then click on settings, because we can do all of this for free. No need to purchase the pro version. This app absorbs the main loaded causes by brute force attacks, analyzes login attempts and blocks unwanted visitors or providers other services functions as well. So scroll down just a little bit and local app lockout. After 4 logins attempts allowed retries, 20 minutes of lockout. 4 lockouts increases lockout time to 24 hours until retries are reset. So basically, after a specific IP address fails to login 4 times, a lockout lasting 20 minutes activates. If additional failed attempts occur within 24 hours, it leads to another lockout. Once their combined total of 4, the 4 minutes duration is extended to 24 hours. So basically it creates a logic that if a person tries to log in on your site and keep trying, probably guessing, or some AI try to broken a password, okay, some malicious program try to broken a password, it simply gonna block the IP. So it's gonna stop the brute force attacks. All you have to do basically right here, it's use the safe settings button, and your site gonna be more secure. But of course the plugin have more options. GDPR compliance, the message. You cannot be notified about the lockout using the email, so you can type your email address right here. After 3 lockouts, display top menu eating, display left menu eating, up to you. Okay, hide dashboard widget, display menu warning icon. Okay, so you can have these options right here. We have the logs. Okay, so you can explore the logs and you can review the lockouts right here, a very important option. You can apply an IP address to a safe list and the down list. Okay, so you can use these options right here. We have the debug option and we have the help material. Okay, you can get free support right here. You can see documentation, the software documentation, and all of the useful links right here. And that is If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or authentication right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.